What are the odds a meteor could hit you? As scientists investigate a reported death from a meteor strike in southern India over the weekend, we wondered about the probability of such a fatal accident. Most people had the sense that meteor strikes on people are exceedingly rare. But how rare? As of Wednesday morning, NASA has cast serious doubt on reports from India, saying the more likely culprit was a land-based explosion. Regardless of the final story in India, a meteor is a piece of rock that strikes the Earth from outer space. The most famous case in the US happened in 1954, when Anne Hodges was hit by a space rock in Sylacauga, Alabama. The softball-sized hunk of black rock crashed through her ceiling while she was napping on her couch, hitting her on the side. Hodges later fought with her landlord over the ownership of the rock and suffered a nervous breakdown. In October 1992, a meteorite that caused a bright fireball across the sky hit a woman's parked car in Peekskill, New York. In 1825, people reported that a man was killed and a woman was injured by a meteorite in Oriang, India, although scholars have not been able to confirm the incident. In 1827, a man was said to be injured after being struck in the arm by a space rock in Mahau, India. Other reports list horses or cattle killed by a meteorite. A meteorite disturbed the wedding party in 1929 and the funeral in 1924. Perhaps even more strangely, in 2007, Peruvian villages were sickened after a meteorite impact released toxic arsenic fumes from the ground. A large meteorite exploded above central Russia in 2013 with a force 20 to 30 times the Hiroshima bomb, injured 1,200 people, mostly from broken glass, and caused 33 million in damage. Still, injuries from space rock incidents remain extremely rare. You have a better chance of getting hit by a tornado and a bolt of lightning and a hurricane all at the same time. Michael Reynolds, a Florida State College astronomer and the author of the book Falling Stars: A Guide to Meteors and Meteorites, previously told National Geographic. Doing the math of meteorite strikes. First of all, an asteroid is what it's called when it's above our atmosphere, so it's impossible for your house to be struck by one. But the chances of your house being struck by a meteorite are 1 in 3,921,910,064,328. Put in a probability number on the chances of being hit by a space rock is difficult, since the events are so rare. Still, Tulane University Earth Sciences professor Stephen A. Nielsen published a paper in 2014 that made the effort. He put the lifetime odds of dying from a local meteorite, asteroid, or comet impact at 1 in 1,600,000.